Hi, today I'm happy to show this beautiful 3-bedroom house at Lakeside Community 1. The asking price of this home is 550,000 Ghana cedis, which is about $90,000. And it sits on a 40 feet by 100 feet land. As you can see, it has a really large compound. This is like a summer hut to, host guests, sit outside on a cool day and then refresh yourself. Now let's get in. The project is about 90% complete, so there are still workers on site doing a few finishing touches to the building before handing over to the buyer. Hopefully you. This is the living area. And we have the dining area just here. The kitchen, which comes fitted with appliances. But without the fridge. This door leads to the back of the house. I wanted to show you. It's in a really developed neighborhood, Lakeside Community 1. Only one unit available, so this is the guest washroom. Bedroom 1 with his full bathroom. The second bedroom we are looking at. Washroom. And finally, the third bedroom. Give us a call on our numbers below. We would be happy to assist. And once again, it's going for 550,000 Ghana cedis. So you can see the plumbers are still fitting stuff. So give us a call on the numbers below. we'll be happy to assist to purchase this home. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the day.